Hi guys, welcome to our family channel. Today we're going to Asbury Woods. We're gonna take a walk around the trails there. So it's a nature walk. We love nature walk. We're gonna show you the beauty of Asbury Woods.
Hey baby! Hi Asher! It's so cute.
Hi guys, we are at Asbury Wood today. We're just walking around here with the trails with my husband's cousin. So he came out here from out of town.
Over there, Mom. Trail's over there.
So make sure you give us a
Thumbs up.
see. Caleb said, make sure you give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
About hunting dogs, but
I know.
hunting will be dogs. It won't last.
Hey, wave everybody! I'm just taking a video for my vlog. I hope you guys doesn't mind if you're in my video.
Look, I found a fire, and I also found a fire right here.
Yeah, I think they did. Go, so I can take a video. Hi, Norma Jean.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Hi, Caleb.
Caleb, hi.
Hi.
What you found? What you see?
Pumpkins.
Yes, pumpkins everywhere, huh?
Oh, more pumpkins.
Some of them are very nicely
So
carved,
pretty
too.
here in Asbury.
Remember those, Mom? Remember those lighting up
Oh,
things?
that's the moon.
Yeah. Naiiwan na ako, oh. Iniwan na ako. Iniwan na ako. Caleb! Wait for mommy! Naiwan na ako sa mga tao. Nakaka-video ko.
So we stop here to take a pictures and the big beautiful tree. It's an old tree here in Asbury Wood. A lot of people stop here just to take a pictures of this big old tree.
Hi Caleb. What you doing?
This duck is dedicated.
Hi bro.
Hi. Can we go in there? Can we go in there?
Say hi, Nathaniel.
Hi.
Nathaniel, you're getting almost.
I know, Asman. He's gonna be taller than me for sure. In a few years.
Oh, wait, is this the bridge? Is this the bridge?
No, this is not. It's nicer bridge.
Oh. It's higher.
But it's farther.
Oh, skywalk. I'm going to parkour.
Look at the beautiful trees, guys. Look at the surrounding. It's just so beautiful. That's what I love here in Erie, in East Coast. When it's already October, the trees and the leaves of the trees are changing color from green to yellow or red, and then they will finally fall down. That's what we call it, fall, here in East Coast.
This is a Walnut Creek. Walnut Creek.
I'm gonna go in the water.
No.
I can skip free too. Hi, Caleb.
No, I'm taking a video of them. Hi, Caleb.
This one? Yeah. That's it. Big rock? Yeah.
Oh, they're down there. They are down there.
I want to try for that one.
Hi, guys. You are down there, huh?
Well, that was a good one. That's last 3 times.
Hi, Gabe. Hi.
Wow. That was twice. All right.
Recording it.
How do you want to do it?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Now.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Caleb is not happy. Caleb is not happy anymore because he's so thirsty. But he's gonna be happy again. Hi! They're gone already. You're getting sleepy. Wow, you go there by yourself without help? Climbing up. You're climbing up. Uh-oh, be careful. Be careful. Do you love nature walk, huh?
That was that water.
Not without water. Because you're already thirsty, right? Right? You're getting slow because you're thirsty now. Look at me. Look at me. You're thirsty now. Oh, at least you still have a smile. Let's go. Look at all the leaves, so beautiful, guys. I love love your color, the leaves. Hey, you do not touch that.
A tent! A tent, Mom! Look, a tent!
Don't touch the stuff in there, please.
made of
The
wood.
people touching those. You do not touch those, please, Gabriel.
I'm not touching them.
Just say hi. Wave bye.
Mom, you wanna come in our tent? Wanna come in our tent? Wanna come in the tent? Wanna come in the tent, Mom?
No, I don't want to come in there. Oh no, be careful, guys.